Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, and here you have to find the line build number, then tap it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options here at the settings list, and here they are, all of our very interesting and useful developer options. Get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. They should, but maybe they won't. Let's see. Okay, let's pretend they are not here anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.